Take a ride in the 2020 CHR. The Toyota CHR's fresh design make it stand out in the crowd, and the interior oozes with style. The CHR handles like a race car and has all the safety features you'd expect from a Toyota vehicle. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, rear spoiler, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, LED headlights, four-wheel disc brakes, FWD. Come take a test drive today.